calls from terrified and injured residents in East Cleveland,
The whole house shook.
trying to comprehend the massive explosion that violently obliterated this home on East 125th Street Sunday just before 5 p.m., damaging hundreds of others in every direction.
It shook all the way over here. I'm on Olivet.
Monday, while investigators sifted through the debris, other buildings were boarded up, and neighbors recounted the horror.
It was just so scary. It was so scary. I thought I was a goner.
Every single window was blown out of Cheryl Miller's home.
All of a sudden, everything went boom, and it threw me backwards in the living room.
Right next door to Ground Zero, A.J. Johnson was salvaging what's left of her property.
I think I'm still dreaming.
The house was recently purchased and remodeled. The deed signed 30 days ago to this day and ready to be rented next week.
It was beautiful, like new appliances. It was an adorable home. Like we were really super excited about it.
Tracy Green's with the Cat Group, a family-owned company based in Fargo, North Dakota that rehabs houses across the country. She spoke with us by phone.
I mean, it's hard to imagine that this happened.
They're anxious for answers and distressed to learn that people who shouldn't have been inside of the house were killed. A woman died and a 51-year-old man is in critical condition.
And it was a shock. Up to 4 people that were involved in this. And so there might even be homicide charges or hard to say because people died. And when that happens, and that's so sad. It's like really, for a couple $100.
East Cleveland's police chief says they are also questioning 2 persons of interest, trying to figure out exactly what happened.
I've got a whole team of detectives out there right now trying to answer that question.
While just a few streets away, city council members were working with the Red Cross, setting up a shelter at the MLK Civic Center, trying to help people heal and get over the devastation.
We have residents that have medical issues that, we need to deal with. We want to make them as comfortable as possible in this transition.
I'm just glad and blessed to be alive, and I'm glad nobody else got hurt around here.
In East Cleveland, Suzanne Stratford, Fox 8 News.